Jammin JD Sports Cards, we have another basketball break for you. This one's a little different though. Panini threads, and it's different because this box, even though it's a retail blaster, is $35. So it's a little more expensive. 20 cards, just one pack. You got 2 of the exclusive Wood Rookie inserts. And you also have 2 rookie autographs or memorabilia cards. So, you have 4 nice cards out of the 20 for sure. And we hope it's good. For $35, you know, you can start looking at least half of a hobby box at that price. So we better be getting something. Let's check this out. There's our one fat pack there. That's all you get. Two thick cards, so maybe 2 jerseys. We're going to go ahead and set those on the bottom there. And we'll flip one card at a time. Chris Middleton. Base card. Good looking base cards. It does remind me of last year's threads and kind of the year before as well. Jeff Green. Chris Paul. Rodney. Nerlens Noel. Mo Williams. Camera doesn't like to focus that way. We'll grab a couple cards at a time. Isaiah Thomas. Kemba Walker. Lou Williams. And Jameer Nelson. Looks like we have some inserts. High flyer Shaquille O'Neal. Shaq Daddy. Very cool. Precision players Dirk Nowitzki. Some more base cards. Jose Calderon. Brandon Jennings. Tyson Chandler. And Reggie Jackson. Now here are our 2 Wood rookies. Barely see the names. Jordan Mickey. And they do have a nice wood feel. Looks like it's just, I don't know if I can show it on the camera. Let's see if I can. If I can get it to focus on the card. Now, it's just a very thin layer of wood on top of the cardboard. But it is a layer of wood on top. So that's pretty cool. Not bad. This one got cut funny. Look at that. Cut off part of his name. Not even part of it, half of it. There we go. Half of his name cut off right there. Someone chopped the wood wrong. Our first hit. Hey, those are nice big swatches. I like that. That's a really nice card. So, first hit is good. Second hit is good as well. Jahlil Okafor. So those are pretty nice. You know, with those and then the 2 wood cards. No serial numbered cards. I'm not sure $35. It's pretty steep for that. But that's your decision to make. I wouldn't recommend it. Follow us on Twitter at JamminJDCards. Thank you for watching and take it easy.